Buying a house can be complicated. It seems like checklist after checklist before you're finally moving into a new home. Ugh, can't we just get it over with already? But here's some good news. You can alleviate some of that stress by doing some legwork ahead of time. And there are a ton of online resources to help. First off, knowing your credit is key. The higher your score, the lower interest rate you'll pay on your mortgage. You can check your credit report for free once every 12 months, if you ask for it. Check out annualcreditreport.com, but watch out for lookalike sites that'll try to charge you. Compare your credit to the national averages to see what's helping or hurting your score, so you can work to improve it. Once you've got your credit ironed out, you need to figure out how much house you can afford. When you apply for a mortgage, lenders will take a lot of factors into consideration to figure out what amount you qualify for. But keep in mind, a big number doesn't mean you actually have to spend that much. Take other costs into consideration like insurance premiums, utilities, along with your existing expenses and recurring charges. Zillow has an online affordability calculator to help, and it's super easy to use. The same goes for Bankrate's mortgage calculator. Now it's time to search for homes, which you can do before you even reach out to a realtor. Check sites like Realtor.com and Trulia for up-to-date listings. Find what you love and make an offer. Then have fun packing. For more tips when it comes to shopping for a house, check out Komando.com.
Hey, thanks for watching. Now, a few things. Don't forget to click the like button and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. And for more digital know-how, check out all these other great links.